So we're at a friend of Dad's place here. One of the guys that previously owned the Johannesson Bombardiers, looking for a new project to work on. And it's covered in snow, but he wants to look at a possible buy here. And this Bombardier is for sale. I think the owner wants $22,500, but you know, like anything else, I'm sure the first 20 grand would have it sold. But we're gonna get in on the conversation here.
See, there's a roof rack for your jigger.
I'm retired. I'm retarded or retired, whichever. Like this off. What you got for yours?
Hey?
What you got in here for a motor?
300.
Oh, Ford.
Right here, you can see it. You open the door right there. Have a look at it. Ocean all going in. But, like I say, the reverse is gone in the transmission.
You just said the reverse is gone on the transmission.
I think it's a 54.
54, he said.
Solid.
This is narrow gauge?
I don't know.
So this is just one of the Bombardiers out there. Guys are looking for Bombardiers. Yeah, it's buried in snow right now because it's winter time, but this customer wants to sell it. He's got no use for it anymore. Located in the paw. We can put you in touch with a Bombardier owner if this sale doesn't go through here today.
Back there with cleats on it. But other than that, it's in good shape. You know, like these little body work. But I don't work with them anymore. So yeah, it's
How much you asking for?
well, I was asking $22,500.
Okay.
This is an R18 and manufacture date is 29/10/52.
52. There you go.
And yeah. How many parts do you have? What do you got extra?
There's parts all over. There's some chains. There's some bolts. There's some cleats.
Is that everything included in the sale? Yeah, so everything you got spare you'll throw in?
Yep.
Okay. So is it skis on the front or tires?
Skis.
Okay.
The tires are right in there. There's
Okay.
tires for it.
How many tires?
2
2 tires.
Yeah.
Okay.
for the front.
That's $2,000 right there. And there's another.
Then there's because the transmission, I've got a truck at the back
Yeah.
with a good transmission. It goes with it.
Okay. So if you want the transmission, because the transmission right now doesn't work in reverse, you said,
Right.
but you'll give the other person
Whoever buys it
gets a
the truck,
transmission. Okay.
the whole truck.
Okay. So
It's got the motor runs, the
Yeah.
transmission's there. On that truck, the only thing, the brakes are seized on it, but
okay.
we're not using it for that.
So here's a good project Bombardier for everybody. Available in the paw. And we'll put the buyer or the seller's contact information in the video. Unfortunately, it's just snowed so much we can't get a closer look at a lot of stuff. Maybe we can look in the back here though. Okay, yeah, there you go. Looks pretty good. Yeah, it's actually not too much, too bad. Some stuff back here, extra parts. Walk over here.
Yeah. I even say some old Bombardier tires.
Oh, for Christ's sake.
Which one? What are we looking at?
Hey?
The old original.
So, those are motorcycle tires or
No, that's old Bombardier tires. I just saved them.
original?
The
Original
tires.
tires. Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, the 2 for the front are right there,
Yeah.
and these are for just. Well, listen. This
So there's 6 tires here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
I'm sure there's more around here, right?
no, that's just because the two.
No, I meant other parts.
Oh, well, there's just parts all over the place.
Okay.